Rudra classes ielts PTE Reading Collocations. Important for reading fill in the blanks. Academic achievement, academic career, academic circles, academic debate, academic discipline, academic discourse, academic institution, academic journal, academic performance, academic research, academic skills, academic study, academic success, academic work, academic writing, academic year, accept responsibility, accept play behavior, accurate assessment, accurate measurement, accurate information, accurate picture, accurate record, achieve goal, achieve objective, achieve outcome, acquire knowledge, active involvement, active participant, active role, actively involved, acutely aware, additional cost, additional information, additional problem, additional support, address issue, advanced economy, advanced technology, adverse effect, adverse reaction, adversely affect, affect the development, allocate resources, allow access, alternative approach, alternative explanation, alternative form, alternative interpretation, alternative means. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel.